Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's Emmanuel here and I'm here with another video on Paws. So Paws claiming is currently live. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to claim your Paws to exchange. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and of course go to your TG dashboard. So you can also join our WhatsApp community. As you can see, this is my account and this is my Pulse balance. I'll click on claim right there. So once you click on claim, you accept the terms and conditions, and after that you continue. And as you can see, if you are withdrawing to centralized exchanges, there's a withdrawal fee of 3% of your total balance, so 3% will be taken away. So I'm going to choose Bitget, of course. So you can use multiple accounts if you want. So I'm going to use Bitget, and I'm going to go to Bitget wallet to get my wallet UID, Bitget exchange to get my UID and Bitget Paws address. If you don't have your account, the link will be in the description to create an account with these exchanges. So once you get to Bitget, basically what you have to do now is click on this add funds button. So click on add funds and click on deposit crypto. So once you click on deposit crypto, now what you have to do is search for Solana. It's that easy. Search for Solana. So I'm going to click on Solana, or basically, to be on the safe side, you can just basically search for Paws. Okay, Paws. As you can see, this other one, not this one please, is the one under. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. Check the logo very well to be sure. As you can see, it's on Solana network. So I'm going to copy my Solana address, and then I'll go to the claiming page and I'll paste it at the deposit address space. You can actually write it down if you want to, but I would rather copy it, okay, to be on the safer side. You can write down your UID, but I will copy mine to be on the safer side. So that's what I will encourage you to do as well. So to get your UID, basically what you have to do is click on more. Once this page opens, okay, this is not opening right now. Okay, so drag your account down. Sorry, that was a mistake. Click on this place. Okay, this place right here at the left hand corner. So click on there. Once you click on it, drag down, and as you can see, this is my UID. I've copied it, and I'll come to my claiming page, and then I'll paste it right here. So everything is complete. Now I'm going to click on continue. As you can see, this is everything. Please confirm if yours is correct. So I'm going to go back to confirm if mine is correct, of course. So let me search for my Solana address. The step is click on add funds, deposit crypto, search for Solana or Paws, whichever one you want to. Okay, so as you can see, it ends with TIOD. Okay, so it's still the same thing. So I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so I'm going to confirm. Okay, confirm. That's the final step. So I'm done. I've claimed successfully. So has been selected, of course. So I'm going to finish up. I don't know why this thing is disturbing. Finish. Okay, so that's it. You can actually change your withdrawal method if you want to. You can actually change it. So there are several methods of claiming. If you have multiple accounts, you can actually claim to your Bitget, Bybit, and other Okay, Bitget and Bybit are the only available exchange currently. If you have not registered for Bitget or Bybit, the link will be in the description to create an account and verify immediately. And also, you can use other methods for claiming on other of your accounts. That's just it for now. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.